Oh, hear that? Hear that? It's got some problems, Houston. Houston, it's got some problems. Welcome back to the channel, folks. In this episode, you'll see carport install and me manhandling a couple of ag bikes. Nitty gritty, we will get stuck in. Also, watch me race Gout Gout. What a tremendous 100 metres. Just a few more dollars. Right, folks, carport time. Got these ones cut at 3.1, digging them down about 900 to a metre. This one's 150 to the top, so this is the lowest point here. This is the lowest point. It's up here, you're going to have a shade sail, and it's going to go slightly higher. So when the car comes in, it's got plenty of clearance, 2.5 metres. Right, I'm doing these anchors. These anchors are stainless. I bought stainless bolts, nuts, nylox. Someone said to weld them. I'm a fitter. Drill them and screw them in. There you go, how's that? I showed this last little bit. I'll put that in there. And I'll put my spanger on here. Let's put... Oh, you know what? Spanner's the wrong way around. Here we go, here we go. What, it's gonna bite? Oh, there you go. It's tight, mate, it's tight. And there you go. And that is an anchor. And then we put a cap on the top like that. This is the top. And so the water doesn't get in it. And it's Duragal, it's not going to rust. Stainless, Duragal, Duraboy. Yep, Duraboy. Here's the Duraboy. The Duraboy. It's a Duraboy. It's a Duraboy. Oh, back to work, folks. Duraboy, 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 Duraboy. Duraboy's still working. You think, well, the pole's not heavy, but you know what? You watch this. It's called beep, 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 beep. You're gonna have a loader license for this. There you go. Just have to angle it that way. And I get a couple of clamps. Have to get a piece of wood. And I've got my digital angle finder, that thing. And I'm putting it 5 degrees. You mean you go 5 degrees that way and 5 degrees this way? No, mate, 5 degrees that way only. These remain upright. Actually, it's upright like that. Over here's my buddy. Looks like a female magpie. Comes in the garden, there's a couple of them. Go fishing for the worms. Actually, there's grubs in there. I've seen there's white grubs. And we feed them. They don't swoop because you befriend them. You know, you look after them. These are two CT200 Hondas. I don't know if they're the same. Probably different eras. Got home late last night, so I didn't really unload. So we're going to get this one off. This is spare parts. And you think, well, you don't need any spare parts. No, we need the front guard, we need the mud flap, and a few other parts. Got a key and ignition, you know. I'm going to attempt to lift this off. And then you can just lean this forward. Right, here we go. That's what the steering's for. Voila, we done it. Voila, we done it. In between carport, workshop building, tanks, bike projects, and other things. I bought a saw today. The transfer station cost $5. I'm going to see if it works. Oh. A la carte, mate. A la carte, creme de la creme, creme de la creme. This is the one I'm worried about. It's got a steel dropper. What were they thinking? Just watch it grow? Let's get it off, mate. Let's get it off. Oh. Oh, I know it. A run-up. Yes. Smart. The red goodness. This one, look. It's got no brakes, see? It's all right. Suspension's there. Oh, it's because of that exhaust. It needs a screw there. Need to fit and turn it to do some adjustments. I think I might just park him in now. Oh, cramped up. Get out, help me. Oh, cramped up. Get out, help me. On your marks. Set. And he's off. Done it. 100 metres. I like this one. Suspension work? Yeah. How's this one? Oh, this is the pick out of this and Susie. Yeah, wake up, little Susie, wake up. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. Wake up, little Susie. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. Better get down before it pulls me down. Blue Coupes, it's done a lot of work. It says the speedo's done 11,000. 11,000 on a farm. See how it's got brakes? Oh, hear that? Hear that? It's got some problems, Houston. Houston, it's got some problems.
Houston, we have a problem.
Look at that, it's got a stand. This is probably, this and Susie, yeah. And, folks, gonna have some good times. It looks very agricultural, but that's what it's all about, Ag 100. This is it. You type in Ag 100, it's supposed to have 100 here. The other Yamaha, the green one, originally green, folks, it's a 78 model. That one is a DT125 Enduro, and it says Enduro on the side. This is an Ag, so you put on your, you can put your dog on the back, and you can put your mail parcel on the front. See that? It's got a key, ignition, and a speedo. So this is the one. Is this the one that got registered? Probably originally it would have been registered. The red one was registered too. Wake up, little Susie. wake up.
Little Susie, wake up.
Little Cooper, wake up. Yeah. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. And as you see, we've got to get these bush bikes ready. We're getting closer.